we offer a lot of support to people. So we provide an annual programme of staff development for for people at all levels of Welsh speaking ability, or we enable people to join Welsh for Adults classes in the areas where they live. And what we also offer are opportunities for people to go on to the sabbatical scheme. And every year, for the last 5 or 6 years, if you look at both previous colleges, we've had at least one member of staff who's gone on that sabbatical scheme. And those sabbatical schemes have got better. They're now much more focused. They're now compressed into sort of a 2.5-3 month period. So for a college, it's now a much more worthwhile investment. When we were losing people for a longer period of time, because inevitably what was happening is that not only did the person want to learn Welsh, they were also an excellent teacher through the medium of English. So you take almost like a double hit when you send people on secondments. We also undertake informal activities to encourage people to speak Welsh. So Shmai Day is as much for the students as it is for the staff. We have a Welsh week every year, and staff contribute to that. And again, it raises their consciousness of the language.